we have here one of our independent publishers, Vitalii, who is going to demo one of his connectors. And Vitalii, I saw your email. I corrected your Twitter.
Okay, thank you.
Of course. I'll stop sharing and hand it over to you.
Okay.
So Vitalii, before you dive in, can you share a little bit about yourself? And because
Sure.
we talked before, a little bit about yourself and what was the idea why you created the custom connector, and then dive into the demo.
Of course, yeah. So about me, I'm an experienced software developer. I've been working with JavaScript for 6 years or more, and then suddenly I was introduced to Power Platform, and I switched my job to Power Apps developer, to Power Platform developer. Yeah. So in my team, I was the only pro developer, so I was doing this fusion development jobs like PCF controls. Also, I made one custom connector for customers. Yeah, that's why I decided. In September, I found that there was a Microsoft Hackathon program, pilot program for connectors. So I signed up for this program, and there was a list of top Ask connector, and I searched through that list and found that electricity map connector is very interesting because it's can be useful for environment, can make people thinking more about sustainability, something like that. So yeah, trying to share my screen. Yeah, here is this product. Electricity maps. It shows production of electricity, consumption of electricity, and carbon footprint that this electricity makes. So it's divided by countries, by regions. For example, this map is showing the live carbon intensity in the countries. So I don't know why. Oh, this is live. So also, this product has open API, and it doesn't need to be. You don't have to buy a subscription for this. So that's why I chose this product. So I had free subscription to test my connector. And during this hackathon, I submitted my connector and certified. Thank you for certification to Amjad and all the team. So. Yeah, I want you to show how this connector is working. So I decided to make a short flow. So let's pretend that we have like an electric vehicle, and we want to charge this vehicle during the times when the carbon footprint is the lowest. For example, okay, I can go through my actions in my connectors while I'm here. So you can get carbon intensity, live carbon intensity. It means how many grams of carbon that CO2 is produced by is made by producing 1 megawatt of electricity. This API also has data on carbon intensity history, and it can predict some future carbon intensity. Also, we can get some live data about how many electricity is produced and what is the source of electricity, and historical data of this production of electricity. And also, this API can provide with some forecasts of consumption and production. So in my case, I want to to get the live carbon footprint. Yeah, for example, I'm located in Canada, but I don't know why, but this location is not included in pre-subscription. So let's choose Netherlands. We can also set latitude for location and some options for calculations, but let's not deep so dive.
The Netherlands is very small, so probably it doesn't really make any difference if you add longitude and latitude.
Yeah. So yeah, and to see results, we can get this value of live carbon footprint. And for example, if it's more than 600 grams for 1 kilowatt, we don't want to charge our vehicle. So we will get notification to that it's high level of CO2, yeah, plug. And for example, when it's slower, we want to start our charging. Actually, we can use another connectors to connect to this like smart sockets to control our electricity consumption. Okay, let's save and check. All right, this succeeded. It's good news. So what we have for Netherlands right now, carbon intensity is not that high. It's pretty high, but it's okay. So we got notification that it's not a good time for charging your vehicle because it has it will make a big high carbon footprint. So got message. And also I wanted to make some simple application, canvas applications where this my connector is used. Using this connector, we can get historical data, make some visualization of it. For example, by default, I'm using Germany, and you can see how carbon production is changing during the day. So you can, for example, use this time for extra work like updating your software or making some calculations on servers or charging your vehicle or charging or mining anything. And yeah, you can see You can see breakdown by type of electricity source. Like, for example, for Switzerland, we have a lot of hydro electricity. We have nuclear electricity, but Germany, we have a lot of coal electricity, electricity that goes from coal. And that's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you. So ask me any questions I can.
Thank you so much, Vitalii. I actually wanted to share something. On a personal note, I am super duper interested in this topic and specifically this connector. My actual degree when I was in college was in mechanical engineering, specializing in thermo and carbon neutrality. So
That's my degree too.
Oh, no way. Wow.
Thermal
Okay.
engineering. Thermal engineering.
My specialty was in thermo as well, and that's so fantastic because I think that just shows how powerful Power Platform is with regards to enabling everybody with the capabilities of low code, no code technology. You and I are perfect examples of you don't have to come from a CS background in order to make an impact in this field. So that makes me so happy. That's so heartwarming. My final capstone project when I was graduating was about a theoretical plan to make my university's campus carbon neutral.
Wow.
Yeah, this was fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing this. I'm super excited that we had this recorded because I want to share this with so many more people. It's such an important topic. Does anybody have any questions for Vitalii?
Feel free to ask.
No questions, just awesome.
This is absolutely
It's
great.
great. It's very very useful, this connector. Also the use case that you showed. Yeah.
I'm not sure. Troy, I think you're still here. Don't you also have something with regards to carbon emissions and things like that as another IP connector?
Yeah, there are a couple other ones actually.
That's awesome. It makes me so happy to see like the intersection of two things that I care about so much.
Yeah, we had last year during to celebrate Earth Day, we did a IP connector extravaganza, really focused on this topic. But Vitalii's connector was not there yet. And when we did that, I know that Troy demoed at least one connector. So we have quite a number of IP connectors in this field. So it's very nice because will definitely help.
That was really awesome. Thank you so much.